Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to migrate a website from Godaddy to Namecheap. Migrating a site can help improve performance, lower costs, or give us better control over our hosting. First, we go to Godaddy.com. Once we are on the main page, we log into our account. After logging in, we click on our domain. If we see our domain on the main page, we can click it directly. If not, we click the mini profile logo in the upper right corner. Then we click My Products. When we are on All Products and Services, we click Manage All. Here, we see the transfer option. We click on Transfer. Now, we need to choose if we want to transfer the code to Godaddy or transfer between accounts. We select the option for where we want to transfer. Everything is available here. If we want to transfer to Godaddy, we click on this option. We enter the example domains, and once done, we continue. If we want to transfer between accounts and we want to transfer to Namecheap, we log into our account for verification. After verification, we continue and we'll get an authorization code. This is how we migrate a website from Godaddy to Namecheap. Once the migration is complete and updated, our site will be live on its new hosting.